Now, I've always had trouble with water coming down off of this channel and no eaves trough being there. It's kind of a poor design. Water comes down and lands right in the corner of this flower bed and really has nowhere to go except pool around the house and drift out onto the sidewalk. So what I did is I installed this catch basin and I ran a pipe from there under our sidewalk out into the lawn where I can terminate it. The trick is how did I get that pipe under the sidewalk? In this photo, you can see where I have a piece of ABS pipe with my towel running through it. How I got that ABS pipe in there is I dug a trench on one side of the sidewalk, and then I dug down on the other side as well, till I could see where I wanted to come through. And then I put the piece of pipe in this trench here, and I lined it up, and I put a power washer nozzle inside the pipe with the pipe against the dirt, and I began to spray. And I would spray it out, and then you see the dirt come out, and then I would take a 2x4 and a hammer and I would tap that pipe in, and then I would spray it again, and I did that repeatedly until I went right through the sidewalk on both sides. The pipe was actually the perfect width. It was 3 feet, which is exactly what my sidewalk was. So then I had a channel that I could run my ABS pipe through under the sidewalk without disturbing too much of the soil. Only the soil removed from the pipe going through, and the rest of it stayed tight to the outside of it, so you don't risk any kind of collapse of the sidewalk.